Finance Review Awards highlight the innovation, achievement, strategy, progressive and inspirational changes taking place within the global financial community. The awards were created to recognize companies of all sizes who've excelled in particular areas of expertise and excellence within the global financial community. This time, we're pleased to offer AYA Myanmar an award for excellence. Here's a brief excerpt from their own corporate video.
AYA Myanmar Insurance granted a license in June 2013. AMI is committed to helping individuals and families in Myanmar to live in healthier and happier lives. We aim to deliver high-quality service and innovative products through internal and external distribution channels to assist both individual and corporate customers to protect their assets from the uncertainties of tomorrow. We engage in talented workforce with both domestic and international exposure and maintain human capital development as our utmost priority in order to ensure long-term sustainable growth of the company and the industry for the benefit for all stakeholders. Reliable. We can be trusted to plan for your life and protect it against the uncertainties of tomorrow. Innovative. We continuously strive to improve our products and services to serve our customers better. Customer-centric. We understand customers' needs and provide them with the best solutions at the highest level of convenience. Ethical. We conduct our business with the highest standards of behavior, including honesty and fairness in all aspects of our work. We fulfill our commitments as responsible citizens and employees. AMI aims to contribute to Myanmar economy with innovation, capacity building, and creating awareness across Myanmar. As your partner for life, AMI aims to ensure the country's key lifelines by providing professional and reliable service, rooted on a rock-solid financial background. Through our experience, we understand the needs of our clients and aim to play an integral role in ensuring their futures. We are beyond an insurance company. We form a part of shaping Myanmar's future. Partner for life. Ledwe Tata AYA Myanmar.
Global Banking and Finance Review is pleased to present AYA Myanmar an award for Best Private Insurance Company Myanmar 2017. Recently in London to receive the award from GBAF's Danielle Court was Managing Director Mr. Myo Min Thu and Head of Business Development Mr. Kyaw Myo Win. Later, I spoke to them about the company's success story and their plans for the future.
Well, gentlemen, welcome to London and indeed congratulations on the award.
Well, thank you. We are honoured to have received this award from Global Banking and Finance.
Excellent. Well, let's talk about your company, if we may. And first of all, I'll ask you, Myo, about the history of the insurance industry in Myanmar. How has it actually developed, and what sort of important role does it play in the development of the country?
Well, Myanmar has been closed for the past 50 years. So basically, it plays a crucial role in development of the emerging market like Myanmar. For the past 50 years, it has always been with Myanmar Insurance, the state-owned insurance company. So private players came into the scene in the last 4 years. So we are pretty new to the scene, and of course private players would actually make sure that the market has become more competitive, provide better products with more distribution channels for the consumers. So it plays a crucial role in ensuring that the insurance companies and of course the insurance industry as a whole will develop in the near future.
All right, let's turn to you now and talk about the company AYA Myanmar. What would you say differentiates your company from other insurance providers?
Okay, AYA Myanmar Insurance, we are under the AYA Financial Group, and our top management empowered the young professional and the repaid all the people, and we are our working group is mainly all the young professional.
Tell us more about the digital platform then, because obviously that's a modern day thing now. Everything is becoming automated. How does that work?
In last year, and particularly this year, we have embarked on a digital platform, and we, from the beginning, from the inception of the policy up to the issuing of the policy, we write on a full digital platform. That's how we differentiate from the other player in the market.
Okay, Mio, let's look at also the issue of what insurance companies, the role that insurance companies such as your own actually provide in the development of business and assets in Myanmar at the moment.
Well, I think as a financial institution, it is always important that we play a crucial role in development of an emerging market like Myanmar. And basically right now, where Myanmar is at the stage of development, insurance plays a crucial role because it has always been the focus on the banking sector that has actually developed earlier than the insurance sector. So with the development of the insurance market, we are able to actually provide better protection for both the assets and of course the life of the people of Myanmar. And in a way, we are actually providing a fair bit of protection for the even to reduce poverty in the market, and it actually provides coverage for assets that are actually loaned out at the banks. So we provide different kinds of protection basically for the development of the economy and of course for the social aspect as well.
So, just to add to the point that I asked you there, does this mean that things have changed hugely in the last few years in Myanmar to facilitate what you've been talking about?
Yes, I mean we can say that we've been in the transformation stage, but it has not always. But I can assure that we are in the right direction. Probably we could speed up faster, in a sense that if you compare against the previous government or the regime, we have made a lot of progress across the past 2 years. So we can optimistically say that we are on the right track, but we just need to speed up to a certain extent.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Ryan, let's look at your customers now. How do you ensure that they get the best possible service and indeed the best possible plan from your organisation?
Yeah, just how I mentioned, we are riding on the full digital platform, so it's a customer experience and a customer convenience. So we provide them a very convenient way of servicing to the customer, and even we do the door-to-door service to the customer for their own convenience. So this is how we can differentiate from other insurer in the market.
So what kind of feedback do you get from the customers? Are they happy with the service they get?
Yes, of course, they do happy with our own services. And because part of the AYA Financial Group, we have a network of the customer, and we also can tap on the bank customer, and we also can serve them. Because as a customer, they can have a total package that we can provide them a solution. That's why if they have some problem, we provide them with the solution. That's why they are very happy with our services.
I see. So
yes.
Basically, you can advise them on the best possible course of action.
Solutions
Yes, yeah.
to them. Yeah.
And Mio, we're looking at the challenges and opportunities, because you touched a little bit on the development in Myanmar as it actually changes quite a lot compared with recent years. What kind of opportunities and challenges do you think there are in your particular industry?
Well, I think there are always challenges when opportunities present. So probably I can touch on the challenges that we are facing right now with the development of the market, the insurance industry in the past 2 years, and basically looking at further growth in the next 5 to 10 years time. We are facing a shortage of qualified experts, basically on the technical knowledge, those who has the know-how, experience, the expertise. So that's where we look at the human capital shortage, qualified human capital shortage in the market. Second thing is of course on technology that we have touched. We're basically at a very infancy stage. So there's a lot to be done in terms of technology to come in, fintech, to be able to serve the customers, and of course to be able to tap on the unserved market in Myanmar. And the third is because we've just come into the scene and insurance is pretty new to the general public in Myanmar. So there's a lot of work to be done in terms of creating the awareness among the general public in Myanmar. So these are three main challenges that we have faced in the market. But of course, in terms of opportunity, we can look at 54 million size of customers that are actually untapped, and the current penetration of insurance in the market is of course less than 1%. So and density being very low, there's a huge opportunity for both the local players and the anticipation of the market when the foreign players comes into the market.
So just 1%, which means you have a lot of opportunities to develop. How would you say that AYA Myanmar actually contributes to the social economic development of the nation?
Well, I think one of the aspects that we can look at is actually the objective is to actually develop and of course improve the life of the people in Myanmar. And basically, as an insurance company, we ensure that we have the right protection for the public. And we are actually looking forward to coming up with more micro products that caters to the lower end of the population, so that we are able to bring poverty up, and it would actually create, of course, with the development of the market, we will be creating a lot of jobs in the market, and the whole economic activity will just go around, and the domino effect would hopefully enhance the economy and of course the social aspect of the people in Myanmar.
So exciting times. What would you say the plans for development and growth are for your company?
Currently, we are working with our own internal business team, and we are also working with the intermediary like agency force, and we work very closely with them. And also we also have our own bank network. We are very first that we have a pilot project from the ministry. We are allowed to do the bank assurance project. So this is how we're going to grow in our businesses in the region.
Oh yes, I think in terms of growth, we have planned three critical points that we have planned for the next stage of growth. One is of course on innovation. We would like to actually be able to provide that innovative edge among the competitors in the market that is able to serve better to customers, and of course the operational efficiency and risk management platforms will come into play. That is more into the innovation. Second is of course on the enhancement of our distribution channels. We are working with the bank on a bank assurance model, so that will actually enhance our network across the whole country. So we're looking at about 200 over branches across Myanmar. So the accessibility of the products that we sell will be able to actually be wider in terms of reach. And third is of course the first point that I've brought up in terms of challenges, in terms of we will want to actually develop human capital expertise in the market. So we are working with our foreign partners and as well as the local partners to actually enhance our human capital developments.
Sounds like you both have a lot of work ahead, but obviously important work. Congratulations on the award, and thank you so much for coming to talk to us today here in London.
Thank you very much.